Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It is April 11th. It's about 68 degrees and supposedly our last frost date was several days ago. I tend to use tax day, April 15th, and so far it's looking like I'm doing better. A lot of these things I wish were in the ground, but yesterday it was 38 degrees, this morning it was 36. 2 days ago it was 35, so it's been really cold in the mornings. So I'm doing that old game we all do every year of carting stuff in and out. But if you're about ready to get things out and go on, I want to show you where I am so you can judge yourself to see how you're doing. Some of my stuff is a little ahead, some of it's a little behind, but so far it's just looking outstanding. We start here. Look at these dahlias. These are all from seed that I collected in 2022 from dahlias that I had grown from seed. And then I collect the seeds every year, but these seeds were from 2022. And the germination was just fabulous. I got a little Florence fennel. Got some bee balm starting to come up. Here's hibiscus. My favorite tea in the world is hibiscus tea. Drink gallons of it, literally. So there'd be a half a gallon in the refrigerator right now, I'm sure. Then I got a bunch of coleus and some celosia. Yeah, the one that looks like a brain. The flowers, love those things. Some Thai basil. Here's an African blue basil. Here's some, really need to get them planted, nasturtiums. Poblano peppers, more nasturtiums. Calendulas, coming along great. Little bok choy that's got some sunburn on it, need to get it planted. Here's another planting of, this is Thai, sweet Thai basil, and Genovese basil. And who knows what that is. These are mostly different peppers. I got them all from the sweet yum yums up to butter bells and the big banana peppers. Got a little bit of lettuce ready to go in the garden. I'm obsessed with basil. Here's some more regular basil, Thai basil. This looks like choy choy, my favorite bok choy. And this looks like dill probably. No, it's Florence fennel. Ooh, some nice fennel coming. Now this is just the little stuff. Let's move over to the bigger things. Alright, there's some more hibiscus. Here is some sweet peppers. Some flat leaf parsley. Then these I may have to restart because they're really long and leggy. But it's like both zucchinis, patty pans, acorns, table queen, spaghetti, different kinds of squash. Here's some chives. Boy, if your chives look as sorry as mine, I feel sorry for both of us. I just cannot seem to get chives to make chives. They just get these little stringy things and that's what they do. There's some more snapdragons. There's 4 different kinds of peppers coming up. There's some more Thai basil. We put basil everywhere in the garden. Bugs love it. We love to eat it. Here's some more flowers. There's some lupine, blanket flowers. Then here's a whole bunch more peppers. Fresh bites. Oh, and a couple of eggplants. The Nagasaki longs. I don't like the big fat round eggplants. I like the long skinny ones. So then we back up. Yes, there's even more. Then we back up and here's a big old hordes of tomatoes. Look at all the tomato plants and they're looking good. There's a couple more eggplant right there. A bunch more tomatoes. Then we drop down to the Netherlands with Even more tomatoes. Some of them seriously need to get in the ground. Over here, this is lemongrass. Started with sprouts from the grocery store. Here's some rosemary that we started from cuttings off our rosemary bush. Down here we have, aren't these nice plants? Mexican sunflowers. They get to be huge and they're beautiful and they love the heat. Then we come down and it looks like some more dahlias. A lot more dahlias. So there's some more smaller things inside that I didn't bring out. But as you can see, I'm not really sure where all in the garden this stuff is going to go because I don't think my garden's that big. But we're going to find a home for it. So we're in Lawrenceville, Georgia, zone 8A, 7B, northeast of about halfway between Atlanta and Athens, or Gainesville. And the cold weather is hanging in there. So what have we got actually growing in the garden? These are regular potatoes. They're doing good. No flowers, so they're not making potatoes yet, but the tops are looking outstanding. And, ooh, son of a gun. Son of a gun. This peach tree has, there's a peach, there's a peach. It's actually got some peaches on it. Ooh, there's a nice peach. The other side of the yard is another peach tree and a couple of plum trees. Here has got to be one of the largest stands of oregano that you've probably ever seen. Been growing it here for years and years. Just love it. This is our first year with green stalks, and I got to tell you, they're something. We've been picking lettuce. Look at the lettuce growing down here. There's some beautiful, beautiful lettuce. We've got strawberries up here on the top that are doing well, but the lettuce is just unbelievable. Then if we come over, we got another green stalk. Chris just picked big, giant container full of Swiss chard. As you can see by how many of them are cut off, tons of Swiss chard. But check out the strawberries. Look at all the strawberries coming. All the way around. Two rows just packed with strawberries. Strawberries, strawberries. Gotta love them. So the green stalks have been very happy with them this year. Looks like we're gonna get a lot of good fruit off of them. Most of the rest of the garden's kind of quiet. Got the onions in. Got garlic in. Got some snap peas, sugar snap peas. We're still getting some lettuce and some cauliflower. I think I got a few cabbages coming along. That's kind of the extent of it. Okay, I've got some cabbages and cauliflower snuck up under here, so let's take a little peek underneath. I'll pull it back right here, see what's happening in here. And if we, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, I think he's ready to pick. I do believe he's ready to pick. It's not very big, but I think I got 2 or 3 more small ones, and between them, they're just going to be incredibly good. And then down here, as you can see, underneath the netting, keep the butterflies and the aphids out. Got some nice lettuce growing. And one of the things about this cool weather right now is the lettuce is real happy with the cool weather. So I can't put the tomatoes out, but the lettuce is happy. I'm going to come over and want to show you the passion vine we have. There's a certain kind of butterfly, orangey butterfly, that just, this is like their main food for the caterpillars. And it's actually overwintered and is getting ready to just go ballistic, flowering. I'll bring them over here and show it to you. As we come down here, I've got it up, running up poles and all kinds of things. But you can see all the flowers. Flower buds coming. They are just everywhere. It's going to be spectacular when they all get to opening up. And we didn't think it would overwinter, but it did. So that's what we've got. It's going to be beautiful. Caterpillars eat this, don't eat the garden. So this makes a good orange butterfly. I'll try and put the text up there what kind of butterfly it is. But it's a passion vine, passion flower vine. And it's grown out of that pot and that pot, and it overwintered. It's just like takes over the place. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Garden is just about ready to change over to summer, and you can see I've got the plants ready. I hope you're in about the same stage, and they're going to have a fabulous gardening year like I'm hoping to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.